Welcome or welcome back to the channel, you guys. Happy Saturday. I'm just showing you guys. I didn't feel like I went shopping, but I didn't feel like doing a vlog. So I'm just gonna do a short vlog. Just showing you guys what I got from, I think it's 2 stores or 2.5 stores. So let me turn the camera around. Actually, it was, yeah, 3 stores. Let me turn the camera around and do the first store. What I got, y'all. Hold on. So I got, this is the Sam's haul. So I got some Airwick. Hubby picked out this vanilla and pink papaya. I hope it smells good. But anyways, the Airwick. I got some more bacon. I love Sam's bacon because it seems like it lasts longer to me. The thick pieces, because since it's so thick, we only, maybe eat like 2 or 3 of them instead of versus the thin ones, we have to eat like 4, or that's us. Anyways, I got some orange juice, some pink lemonade. I usually get 2 of these, but I'm like, let me go ahead and grab some orange juice too. Got some more Smuckers, strawberry jam. We love strawberry jam, y'all. Mayonnaise, the ranch dressing. I got some Baby Bell cheese, some beef, hot dogs, because Hubby, of course, barbecuing today. Chicken wings. We got some ribs, and it was $18.83 for 2 of these jokers. Hubby, he grabbed him some Stella Rolls. Got some flour tortillas, and I make different things like for the morning and for like lunch or what have you. All different type of things with this. And this is my first time ever getting a, what do you call this? Let me push this back. Hold on. Okay, that's much better. Mozzarella sticks. I'm hoping these are good. So I'm trying this. And then this is a new one. The mini pizza bagels, cheese and pepperoni. So I'm hoping these are good as well. They had, back to school specials. So I got some Capri Suns for the daycare and some more, what's that, applesauce? Yeah, that was all I got from Sam's. And I almost forgot. I got the Clorox wipes, and these were $14 for 5 of them. Yeah. The fresh scent, the 3 lemon crisp lemon, whatever. Yeah, and 2 of the fresh scent. So that was, I felt that was a good deal, so I grabbed that. Okay, you guys. So this is the Aldi haul, and things may not be in order, but anyways, got some mini peppers, some green onions, a cucumber, English cucumber. I got some carrots, lettuce, asparagus. I got some chicken, the chicken breast, skinless chicken breast, and this was $10.28. I had to pop this open. Got me my freezer bags and the little snack bags. Lemonade, so good. Minute Maid. I got some sweet cherries. These are so good from Aldi's. Yes, and they are big too. I see some of them is like, I'm gonna have to go through these when I wipe them, clean them. Go through them. Some of them may need to be thrown out already. Just got them. I got some milk, whole milk, and I never saw these at Aldi. I think they are actually getting them because of this back to school. But my Nutella, I used to get them from Dollar General, but I spotted them and I grabbed them. Got some more Kobe cheese. What is this? The ham, Black Forest ham, the honey turkey breast, and the spinach and herb. I haven't got this in a minute, but I use this for my wraps for breakfast or lunch. 2 dozen of eggs, some grapes, and the grapes I decided to go ahead and get organic because the grapes I used to get, they just go bad real fast. So I'm gonna see how this goes. The organic red seedless grapes, a little more pricier, but with strawberries, you have to eat these when you first bring them home. Because, baby, they be going bad. Some margarine. Got some white bread. Some Hawaiian bread. some Italian dressing. Hubby like to put this on his barbecue when he's barbecuing. Some spray, olive oil spray. And I spotted these at the checkout. The croissant buns. So I'm going to try these out for breakfast in the morning. Egg and bacon and cheese croissant. We'll see. Canola oil and vegetable oil. Yeah, that was all I got from Aldi. Hey, you guys, last but not least, I went to my local store, Snooks, and I had to get some ground beef because I'm making some baked beans, and hubby's going to barbecue some ground beef too. But I got some baked beans as well, some cornstarch, sugar, tomatoes, some green peppers, brown sugar for my baked beans, and I got some wavy ranch potato chips and some Utz barbecue chips hubby love. I got some mustard for my baked beans, a little small watermelon. I got a tropical gold pineapple. That looks good. I can use my pineapple cutter. Yeah, I'm gonna do a short on that, so stay tuned. And then I got some saltine unsalted top saltine crackers. That's it, y'all. That was a quick haul. Quick haul. Let's see. Where's that, y'all? Here it is. The pineapple cutter. I can't wait to use this, y'all. Y'all be blessed, stay safe, and have a nice day. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video.